I asked a few staff members at Nothing, what does the Nothing phone represent? And here's what they had to say.
So, Phone 1 is the entrance to our ecosystem, the open ecosystem of Nothing. It represents a return to instinct. You know, when you actually feel that nostalgic feeling about tech and then you can't get it back, Phone 1 represents that.
Okay, I think the Nothing phone is bringing back a bit more fun and excitement, a bit more warmth back to our devices. I think it's about time we got a bit more up close and personal, told some stories of our phones and had a different kind of relationship. So my favourite part is the Glyph interface. I'm excited to customise it and get to know the back of my phone a bit more. But
So I think the Nothing phone represents a new approach to designing a smartphone, where we're able to take some risks that others wouldn't and try to introduce some new human experiences into a super bland smartphone landscape in 2022.
What do you think about the Nothing phone? Is it enough to sway you from the Apples and the Samsungs of the world? Well, if so, it's widely available from tomorrow. If you know nothing about the Nothing phone, then you can check out my 1-minute summary video and my first impressions. I should be getting my hands on a Nothing phone very soon, so I can share my thoughts and opinions with you. But until then, I'll see you next time.